is on red. Pass L. So let's do it. I can tell my car don't have no gas in it just the way it sounds. Like it's like the leftover gas in the pump fuel line is what's pushing my engine right now. But at the same time, I can tell that, yeah, bro, I'm gonna put you at the gas station, but don't do that again. That's the kind of vibe I'm getting from my car right now. Shit is literally telling me, whatever you do, don't go too far, cause I ain't gonna save you. But good thing, gas station is super close to me, so I ain't gotta worry about it. Yeah, it's actually pretty easy. Just pull out your phone, activate the pump, pay, and now $3.11. It was way cheaper yesterday. I think yesterday was $2 something. But yeah, it pretty much does everything for you. Apple Pay or anything like that. All I have to do is just, just pull out my phone, connect to the pump, and everything. ExxonMobil, baby. ExxonMobil. Super easy and efficient. And I get cash back. So I get money to put gas again. I think I have like $8 by now. So I just got done working out. I'm about to head back to the crib to shower and then find something else to do for the rest of the day. Today feels good, I ain't gonna lie. Today feels good as sleep. This is the outfit for today. This is the outfit for today. We got black jeans, and this nice little shirt, and we have Citizen and the waist bag to top it off. You know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. So yeah, this is our outfit for the day. You know what I'm saying? So y'all see the outfit for the day. Nothing crazy. So let's put the camera right here. Let's check the fit out again. Maybe. Oh, right there. Alright. So yeah, this is what we're working with. You know what I'm saying? Over here, because we ain't done. Stay hydrated. Drink a lot of water. Yeah. Good for your body. So now we're gonna go do all the things that we wanted to get done. So with that being said, come with me. You know, I had to make my weekly drink. But yeah, let's go to now we gotta go to the store. So right now we're gonna get the things that we need. I just got in here, and at the same time, I'm not recording with my camera. I left it out in the car because I didn't feel like bringing it. But I'm gonna try to see if they still have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which they do. So those are the things. This is it. Oh, what the hell? What the fuck? Yeah, you just can't lift it up. Wait, let me see. Oh, it actually turns on. So this is the one they have. Those are the things that come with it. Micro SD, battery, and some other stuff. You know what? I think I need this. Because I did not know it was that wide. And it looks so freaking out. Snap. It looks so freaking clear too. Like, those are the things that I got. I got potato. I got potato, grapes, kiwi, strawberries, salad, and bacon. Funny. And I got some beef. £3.49, $20. And we go ahead and get her favorite chicken fajita meat. Love this. I love getting it. So We're gonna grab that also. We're gonna get this one. $20. I'm not gonna lie. Buying grocery for yourself is kind of like crazy because you gotta think about the price and everything like that. All right, I'm gonna show you what I bought that cost me $100 and something. So there's nothing in this box. There is nothing in the box. So we got some trail mix, some fruit stuff. We got some other fruit, kiwi. Love kiwi. I'll put this right here. We got some black grapes. Love black grapes. Some strawberry. Put that one right there. Some green, nice little green grapes, which is good for the body, which is amazing. So we're gonna put that in there. We got some olives, black and green olives. So we're gonna put that bad boy, oh sorry, right there. Some salad. A bag of fries. Alright, so another empty box. We got some potatoes. Some yellow potatoes. I'll put that over there. Some sausages. Put that right in there. Some everything bagels. Yep, everything bagels. We got some fajita meat. And we have full pound of steak. And last one but not least, some variety pack of coconut water. And that's it. So yeah, that cost me $100. Let's see. Okay. By the way, this is from Sam's Club. Don't get it wrong. This is from Sam's Club. Alright, purchase history. In the club, we all fam. Alright, so I scan and go. 125. Yeah, 125.32. Here you go. If you guys think I'm lying. I see it. $125.32. So I was in the kitchen cooking it up. So this is what I made: steak and potatoes. And it got me. All right, so it's 2:42. I went to the voting poll. I didn't see nothing. I was like, the fuck? They said early voting start today in Florida. Well, I guess I was wrong. Maybe, maybe not. So we're gonna go back there again and check to see if I was right. So let's go and do for civic duty. That's what I call it. Let's go do that. Where is my Okay, so me wait, because I cannot find my wallet. Oh no. Here it is. Alright, we got that. So we gonna go do our civic duty. We going to vote. Gotta put your AC on. Gotta put your seatbelt on. Gotta put your AC on because it's hot. Gotta put your seatbelt on because you do not want to get into an accident. And flew throughout the window. You heard me? Alright, so we're gonna go and do whole civic duty. It's my first time voting. Pretty excited and pretty pumped out. So let's go and get that out the way, cause I've been very much excited to do that. So we're gonna go do that now. Let's do it. It feels so good to finally say I voted. Feels good. It feels amazing. I've been waiting for this for like a whole month. I almost missed the deadline to register to vote as a first-time voter, but we finally got it done. I'm very happy, very excited, and it feels good to welcome anyone. I hope this brings changes to this whole idea of America. I hope this make a lot of changes for you guys who's already here and waiting to be able to do the same thing as me. With that being said, welcome. Go vote. It did not take me more than like 5-10 minutes. I would say minimum 15 minutes to vote. So yeah, it would be nice to see all you guys getting up and go vote. So this is what I've been up to. Been streaming for a little bit. Talked with one of my old friends from back in the day. Happy to talk to him. And right now I'm about to put on Fortnite because your boy is bored and there's nothing else I can do for the rest of the day. So it's better that I just, you know, stay home and chill. And yeah. Overwatch is free. I'm trying to find a game to play that is free, but everything else seems very lame, and I do not like them. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it for today vlogs. I didn't really do much besides the important things that I wanted to do, but my boy is getting very tired right now, so and I think it's time for me to go to bed and kind of like reset tomorrow. But yeah, if you watch this video, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me guys what you think and what you guys want me to do next. But yeah, besides, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.